Nowadays, cryptocurrency has been the new trend of investment. So let's see what cryptocurrency really means. Have you ever heard of Bitcoins, Ditchcoins, Litecoins, XRP or Ethereum? These are not embarrassing brand names as you think. These are in fact cryptocurrencies or digital money. They are trending everywhere wherever you go. Crypto has delivered tremendous profit for some investors, while some investors have also suffered a huge loss investing in cryptocurrency. We have our investor expert Amit with us who will help us analyze is it worth investing in cryptocurrency or not. Amit, over to you.
In a very simple terms, in a very simple terms, if you don't understand something, don't do it. I'm sure this is the same advice you will give it to your children, right? That technically, if you know that there is a big amount of uncertainty and you are not aware about it, you will tell your children don't do it. Okay, that's simple. This is simple, called as simple common sense. You don't require you don't have to be an Einstein to be a good investor. You need to have common sense to be a good investor. So you know what, a lot of people think, you know what, I don't understand what's happening in economics, maths, politics, world politics, interest rates. You don't need all this thing. You need basic common sense. What is basic common sense? That if you don't understand something, don't do it. Crypto is not, we don't even know whether it's a currency or an asset. Indian government doesn't calls it a currency. It's defined it like an asset. Anything can be called an asset. The taxation on a crypto asset in our country is same as the taxation which you have on gambling. It's extremely volatile. It has a very short history. Most of the cryptocurrencies technically have corrected 70-80%. Okay, some of them have even got wiped off. It's very difficult to know about their future. Stick to something which is called tried and tested. Equity mutual funds, we are investing into real businesses. These businesses are making profits. Okay, that's called equity. Fixed income, since mankind, fixed income has been there, equity has been there. Since mankind, okay, these are not assets which have just built over a period of time. Since mankind, businesses have existed, equity has existed. Since mankind, borrowing of money has been there, fixed income has been there. Since mankind, currency has been there, and gold as a currency has been there for thousands of years. Okay, so what we are trying to tell you is that invest in things which are tried and tested. Equity mutual funds, fixed income mutual funds, having some amount of money into gold, and maybe investing some money internationally. These are simple basic principles of creating wealth. Don't try to experiment with money. Money is not for entertainment. Money is for real goals. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency for entertainment, yes, by all means you can do it. It's your money. You can do whatever you feel like, but only keep a small portion of your money for entertainment. Like I'm sure you go to casinos also, right? You don't put your children's your retirement money in casino, right? You go to casino, you play some games and to have fun. So if for fun and entertainment, you want to do something with cryptocurrency, by all means go and do it. But don't treat your real wealth, the money which is for real goals. Please don't put all this money into this.
Thanks Amit for your insightful answer on cryptocurrencies investment. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.